Your journey to Lithuania doesn't start at the airport. It starts with proper preparation right now. Moving for your studies is a huge step, and being organized is the key to a stress-free transition. Let's go through a detailed pre-departure checklist so you don't face any problems after landing. First, documents. These are your most important assets for a smooth entry into the country. Always carry your original passport, your national visa, and your university admission letter. Keep printed copies in your carry-on and digital backups in the cloud to avoid any emergencies. Don't forget your accommodation proof. Border guards often ask for this during the entry process. Second, finances. You'll need immediate access to funds to manage your first few weeks. You should carry at least 500 to 1,000 euros in cash for transport, food, and initial setup. Consider opening a digital bank account like Revolut or N26 before you arrive for easier local payments. Third, travel insurance. As of 2026, valid travel insurance is mandatory for all international students. Ensure it covers your initial stay period and meets the specific requirements for your national visa application. Fourth, packing for the weather. Lithuania is beautiful, but the winters are quite legendary. Warm clothes and heavy jackets are essential. Don't underestimate how cold the wind can get. Pack a European power adapter and plan to get a local SIM card like Telia or Tele2 immediately. Once you land, remember to register your address within the first few days to stay compliant. By preparing these 4 areas, you'll be ready to focus on what matters: your studies and new life.